What's going on, everyone? Ali DIY owner operator. Just want to show you quick what did I found in my exhaust DOC. I have no idea, guys, where this came from, so let me show you. And you check also if you got one of these trucks. Check also, it's better for you if there's anything in your DOC, or I don't know what it's called, but it's here. That's my exhaust elbow, and that's, I believe, the DOC or DCR. I forgot, so excuse me. So I'm fixing to take this off. Okay, taking my gaskets off. Look, you can't see anything, but look in there. And how did I found those metal sheets? I saw something hanging here when I was working in my exhaust elbow. I saw one of them hanging here. So, and then I started looking inside, and I found all these. So I couldn't get them out. But I went to Harbor Freight. I got me one of those magnet stick. It's like only $8. I believe it's worth it. So I'm gonna make it longer now and start taking this out, because these might cause problem and makes the codes popping up in your dash. You don't want that. So let's see what we can do. All right, got my magnet out here. So hopefully it goes inside, and it's a really strong magnet, guys. Otherwise I will have to make it smaller, or might be another way. You know, trying to get it there, and then see if it will go inside somewhere. All right, it's going inside. It's gonna give me some headache every time, but let's see now, because it will be hard to take it out. So I couldn't get the metals out, but I decided to open my DCR. So I lose this bolt here, and this is the clamps that actually stick to the body, keeps it in place. So I'm gonna remove this, because this one is connected to this one. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Removing the clamps, putting everything, making sure it's loosened up from the back now. So see if it's still stuck someplace. Me holding my phone in one hand. Right, let's move this. Let's get underneath it. Hopefully I don't get the ground this way. Just give you a quick look here. There you go. There you go. Now it's loose. Yeah, now it's loose. Right, let's get back. Let's get it out. Let's put it on the side if it's. That's the gasket between this and this. Hopefully we don't need to replace any gasket, but take this. I think this is the sensor for the DCR temperature or whatever. That's where all the smoke goes in there. DCR catches and then goes to PDF and then to the exhaust. Let's lose this quick. 19 millimeter socket. All right, set it up, take it out, clean it, and put it back. So see, it's moving, and we will look what is inside the big boy here. Of course, there's a filter here. Okay, and here where is it collects the ash in here and the soot here. So they are totally two different things. They are not the same. The PDF, you can clean it, the soot, but this one, to clean it, needs different method from cleaning this. Let's take that down. Okay, I'm gonna lose this clamp slowly. Easy. Leave the bolt in there. Easy, slowly. Full headed, guys, because I need my both hands. All right. See how it's loose right now, but you see, it came off. Needing help right now. So, guys, I will have to take this bolt, and I think I will have to catch this with both hands once I start the bolt, because it's gonna be heavy little. So I will see you after I drop this down. All right, it's down, and that's the PDF filter. It's really bad, and that's the inside. I see you out there. The gasket is good, and there's a spot right there. I have no idea why it's like that, but I will inspect it. I mean, not now because I don't have time. So let's take whatever inside out. All right, let me first try to take my gasket off, because these gaskets are expensive, and this is what they use to put it back here. Okay, it's not coming out, so just leave it like that. Don't put yourself in trouble. If you don't have money, if you don't have time, don't do that. Just leave it like it is. Just flip that. See if anything will come out. If not, I'll go get my magnet. Oh, look. That's oil, guys. Yeah. But I have no idea, guys. Really no idea. So let's check it. I will check it and see what's going on. Oh no. Look. I have no idea if it's soot or if it's oil. All the way down, if you can see. I have no idea, really. I don't have time even to clean it. All right, got my magnet right here. That's not looking good, guys. I know it need to clean. So let's put that bad boy down there. I don't think I can get there because now I have another trouble. There's another walleye, but it did just stick some here. There's one up top. Doesn't come, I don't know. Well, if you see that, I don't know. Let me check. You see? And there's oil at the bottom. And you see these few pieces, metal pieces around. So I don't know really what's going on. Maybe this thing is messed up. It needs to be replaced, the TCR. I don't know. There's a couple of them left, so let's take them out. Trying to grab them. You can't see, guys. See that? I have no idea what it is. Let's see if there's some more. Piston. Yeah, there is some more. Yeah, got it. Ooh. Look. I have no idea what is that, guys. You better check your truck too. You know, check inside. But all this needs to be clean. You know. I think there is one stuck right there. But I'm not sure. Yeah. It's coming. Ah. Just dropped my phone. Sometimes. See? Oops. See that? Let's check again, see what's maybe there is something also. Yeah. We are done, guys. We are done. There is nothing in there now. Look, that's the oil came from the DOC. And this is what I was talking about. You see, guys, and it's all oil. So I have no idea what is this. So I'm gonna call one of those mechanics and the dealer and send him the pictures. See what he says. I'm going to do some cleaning, you know. So just take this old gasket off, you know, because don't want to get leak, you know. Let's clean that. We are good. That's all soot. Just clean all these sensors. Really don't want to clean it now, but I do what I can right now. You know, don't have much time. Just clean these sensors, guys. You know, it's good. And easy on these, because these are expensive. See, you can see the spot, the oil spot. I'm not gonna do like deep clean, no, just what I can here, you know. Can't get that there. This is just the front. It needs clean, needs to be cleaned definitely. Clean that later. See that? Go get my air and blow air in there. Look how much I got out from my DCR. Oil and this metal stuff. So better check your truck too and see if you got like that. Better for you, you know, just pre-maintenance. It might be the DCRs. It's the time to replace the DCR. Maybe, I don't know, but I gotta call the maintenance guy and see what he says. Might be the wall there, you know, tore up or broke. That's why the oil start leaking there. I mean, whenever burns oil and fuel, they go from the engine, the turbo, and to the DCR. Let's see. Gotta put the DOC back, and I couldn't record that because I needed my both hands on this. This is heavy, you can't lift it up. Just put this back. Put this back. Set your exhaust. On top of that, tie the clamp, and you're done. All right. So, easy. Set that there. Right here. Don't over torque your clamp. Easy, because if you over torque it, this gonna break. You'll be in trouble. All right, guys, that's it for today, and that's how it looks all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, because I need your support. And thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. You guys all have a good one.